Before your temporary hearing, we may reach out to you to see if we can reach a temporary agreement. Again, this agreement would be temporary, typically lasts for a few months while the rest of the case proceeds. During this time, we may be gathering information about finances or information from the other side, and we may have a guardian ad litem doing an investigation. It doesn't make sense in every case, but in many cases it does. It has several advantages. For one thing, it may save you money if we don't have to go to the temporary hearing, preserve some of your retainer for future expenses. Also, it controls the outcome. Although we do our best to guess what a judge might do in specific circumstances, we are surprised sometimes. So if you can reach a temporary settlement that you are okay with for a few months, it helps control that outcome and make sure that it's not worse than what you want it to be. Also, it helps set the tone. So if you can agree on a temporary basis, it's much more likely that the two of you can agree on a long-term basis, which generally is best for the kids. Now, that long-term basis might look different than the temporary settlement, but it does set the tone and get that habit going of being able to work together and agree. And finally, at temporary hearings, sometimes people just throw dirt at each other. Each party talks badly about the other. If they do this successfully enough and the judge thinks that neither party is capable of raising the child, they can call DSS to take the child into emergency custody. So we definitely don't want that to happen. If we can come to a temporary agreement instead that we think is safe or best for the child, it helps both parties co-parent better because they haven't just been in court talking badly about each other. Give it a shot. Let's see if we can reach a temporary agreement in your case and whether it makes sense in your case.